TRENDnet's 24-port Blank Keystone Shielded 1U patch panel, model TCK-P24S, is designed for use with TRENDnet's Cat6a shielded keystone jack, TCK06C6A. When used together, they create a patch panel solution suitable for gigabit and 10G copper Ethernet network applications. Use this shielded patch panel with Cat6a shielded cabling, which is specifically designed to eliminate ME and crosstalk, ensuring peak performance and data integrity. 24-port Blank Keystone Shielded 1U patch panel is designed for use with TRENDnet's Cat6a shielded keystone jacks, sold separately. Shielded housing design. 19-1U sturdy metal rack mount housing design protects against ME RFI noise. Connectivity. Ideal for high-speed gigabit and 10G copper Ethernet network applications when used with TRENDnet's Cat6a shielded keystone jacks, sold separately. Package contents. TCK-P24S. Grounding wire. Quick installation guide. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to use with shielded or unshielded. Worked great with Leviton and other keystone jacks, most of which were unshielded.